Welcome back, fellow car enthusiasts, to another episode of the Tyre Show podcast where we dive deep into all things automotive. Today, we're tackling a topic that's often overlooked but critical for every driver out there: tire quality. Tire quality isn't just about having a smooth ride, it's about safety, performance, and peace of mind. So, let's peel back the layers and explore why tire quality matters more than you might realize. Imagine you're navigating winding mountain roads, taking every curve with precision and control. High-quality tires can make all the difference in this scenario. They provide the grip and stability you need to tackle those twists and turns with confidence. But what exactly makes a tire high quality? It starts with the design and manufacturing process. Premium tires are crafted using advanced rubber compounds and reinforced with materials that ensure durability and longevity. This means they can handle different road surfaces and weather conditions with ease. From scorching summer heat to icy winter roads, quality tires have your back. But it's not just about the materials, it's also about the structural integrity of the tire. The sidewalls and tread design play a crucial role in maintaining vehicle stability and passenger safety. So, next time you're admiring those sleek tire treads, remember they're more than just a fashion statement, they're a key component of your safety system. Let's talk about how to recognize a well-constructed tire. It's not just about technical specs, it's also about the signs of quality you can see and feel. Think even tread wear, minimal road noise, and resilience against punctures and impacts. And don't forget about tire ratings and certifications, they're like a stamp of approval, ensuring that your tires meet strict safety and performance standards. So, why does all of this matter? Well, imagine you're driving down a busy city street when suddenly, a car cuts in front of you. With quality tires, you can trust your vehicle to respond quickly and safely, avoiding a potential disaster. It's moments like these that remind us why tire quality is so crucial. Now, let's shift gears and talk about tire types. Did you know that the type of tire you choose can significantly impact your vehicle's performance and safety? Whether it's summer, winter, or all-season tires, each type has its own set of strengths and weaknesses. Summer tires are like the athletes of the tire world, designed for optimal performance in warm conditions. They offer superior grip on both dry and wet roads, giving you the confidence to push your vehicle to its limits. But when the temperature drops, summer tires can lose their grip, making them less safe in cold weather. On the flip side, winter tires are built to excel in cold temperatures, snow, and ice. With their softer rubber compounds and deep treads, they provide the traction you need to navigate slippery roads with ease. But, like any specialist, they have their limitations, they wear out faster and aren't as precise on dry roads. And then there are all-season tires, the jack of all trades in the tire world. They offer decent performance in various weather conditions, making them a popular choice for drivers who don't want to switch tires every season. While they may not excel in extreme conditions like their specialized counterparts, they're a reliable option for everyday driving. Choosing the right tire type is all about understanding your driving habits and the climate of your region. It's about finding the perfect balance between performance and versatility, ensuring that your vehicle is ready for whatever Mother Nature throws its way. What about tire sizes though? Ever wonder what all those numbers and letters on the sidewall of your tire mean? They're like a secret code that holds the key to finding the perfect fit for your vehicle. The width, aspect ratio, and construction type, all these factors play a role in determining whether a tire is compatible with your vehicle. And let's not forget about the wheel diameter. Choosing the right size is crucial for maintaining accurate speedometer readings and overall vehicle performance. But tire sizes aren't just about numbers, they're about ensuring proper clearance, handling, and fuel efficiency. It's like finding the perfect pair of shoes. You want them to fit just right and support you every step of the way. Now, let's dive into the world of tread patterns. Did you know that the pattern on your tire's tread can tell you a lot about its performance under different driving conditions? Symmetrical, asymmetrical, directional, each tread pattern has its own unique characteristics and benefits. Symmetrical treads are quiet and durable, perfect for everyday driving. Asymmetrical treads offer a balance of wet and dry performance, ideal for high-performance vehicles. And directional treads excel in water evacuation, reducing the risk of hydroplaning. But tread depth is just as important as the pattern itself. Deeper treads provide better traction, especially in adverse weather conditions. And let's not forget about the quality of the rubber compound. After all, it's the foundation of a tire's grip and durability. So, next time you're inspecting your tires, pay attention to the tread pattern and depth. It could mean the difference between a smooth ride and a slippery slope. Now, let's get into the importance of regular tire maintenance. Like any part of your vehicle, your tires need TLC to stay in top condition. From checking air pressure to rotating tires, regular maintenance can extend the life of your tires and ensure consistent performance. And don't forget about visual inspections. Keeping an eye out for signs of damage can prevent bigger problems down the road. So, whether it's checking air pressure or inspecting tread wear, make tire maintenance a priority. Your safety and your wallet will thank you in the long run. Finally, let's wrap up by talking about making informed tire purchases. With so many options out there, choosing the right tires can feel overwhelming. But fear not, we're here to help you navigate the maze of choices and find the perfect fit for your vehicle. From understanding tire types to deciphering sizes and tread patterns, we've covered it all. Armed with this knowledge, you can confidently choose tires that will keep you safe and secure on the road. So, next time you're in the market for new tires, remember to do your research, consult with experts, and trust your instincts. After all, your tires are the only thing standing between you and the open road. This is your host Roger signing off. Until next time, drive safe everyone.